What if I told you there are 3 lazy ways to make $50 daily as a creator without constantly stressing over new ideas? I've done this. I do this every day, and even every week I make sure I use. Hi guys, I have 3 lazy ways to make $50 daily as a creator. Let me tell you the truth. Making money online does not need to be hard. If you think you need to spend hours creating new content every day, you're working too hard. What if I told you there are 3 lazy ways to make $50 daily as a creator without constantly stressing over new ideas? I've done this. I do this every day, and even every week I make sure I use it. So is you can use it. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple, low effort ways to make daily money online as a creator. Even if you're feeling unmotivated, tired, or just don't have the time to create fresh content, what I ask you is to watch till the end. You will have three of them, which are game changers. Thank you very much for having been on this channel. I'm going to be at least giving our shout out our royal viewers, our royal subscribers very soon at the end of the month. On this platform, we always encourage everybody to use what you have to make the money, to make sure we dive into passive income strategies. The first way is repurpose your content. When we're talking about repurpose your content, recently I brought a video all about repurpose your content. Here I mean your viral content. And if you go through our banks, you'll find out that we have been doing this. When a video goes viral and it has comments, engagement, we always repurpose it in different ways to make sure that people understand it. The easiest way to keep earning without creating new content every day is by repurposing your old viral videos. If you have a viral video that performed very well, cut into shorts, reels, or TikToks, you can also go ahead and do a video in a different way. You give it a different title and a different description. Add new captions, music, or effects to refresh the content. Post it across multiple platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Reels, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. Why is this repurposing of content powerful? It's because viral content already has a proof that people love it. Instead of guessing what will work, you are reposting something that already performed well. Here a pro tip is that you need, or if you haven't had a viral video, go back and find content that got highest watch time or engagement and repurpose that. The second one is use faceless videos. You guys, this is the lazy and effortless way of making you earn every day. Even when you feel down like me, I always, when I'm low, I use faceless. There are days when you just don't need to be on a camera, but that shouldn't stop your content from making money. Here is the solution. It is faceless videos. Use stock footage or AI-generated visuals. Create tutorial styles, videos using screen recording or animations. Use AI-generated voiceovers or text-to-speech tools to narrate. Why is this powerful? Because faceless videos require little effort, but they still attract viewers, and even they attract revenue. Many big YouTube channels make millions without even showing their face. Why are you letting this money go? Here, the pro tip I will tell you, it's about this. If you feel too lazy to record, just use old clips, stock footage, or generated visuals to keep your channel active. This is something that has been moving me up and down, and I earn every day. And some people wonder, how do Christine do it? This is how we do it. The third way is using AI bots to do the work for you. If you're still typing, if you really feel too lazy to record, just use all the clips, stock footage, even AI generated visuals to keep your channel active. The third one is let AI bots do the work. This is the third laziest way. If you're still typing out scripts manually or struggling to come with up ideas, you're wasting a lot of time. AI tools can generate content, transcripts, and even automate your editing. This is what I even used to transcript for me this video. What you need to do, you need to use AI bots like ChatGPT and even others to create video scripts in seconds. You can even use DeepSeek AI and Meta AI, which will help you find trending topics and keywords. Then you go ahead and use AI-powered video editors like Descript or InVideo, which can edit your video automatically. So there is no any excuse for you not to earn every day, every month. Why is this powerful? It's powerful because AI does the heavy lifting for you. Then you just focus on uploading content and making money instead of spending hours brainstorming every time. A pro tip I'll give you here is that you can even use AI to repurpose your long videos into short clips, saving even more time. You can use even your videos to create blogs, to create posts and other things. Now that we are here and I've given you these 3 easy, lazy ways to make money on a daily basis, what do you think? You can use this one to make $50 per day, daily, and I've done it. As a creator, you need to practice this. Now that you can repurpose your viral content, you can use faceless videos, or you can let AI bots do the work for you and save time. What do you think? Do you think we can start working smarter way, not harder way? Making money online doesn't have to be stressful. I've come to learn to ease it, to make it so joyful and very beautiful by using these methods and allowing me to be at the comfort of my home and do the doings. Even when I don't feel like creating, I know they will do it for me. My question for you is, which of these 3 methods will you try first? Let me know in the comment section below, and we start from there. If you want more content like this, please let me know in the comment section. See you in another video. Bye bye.
Thank you, Lord, for loving us so bright. I call you Daddy, hold me tight. You are my shepherd, guiding my side. Where I'd be without you in my life. You are my bridegroom with endless grace. In your love I find my place. Every storm